How smart is your washing machine? Does your washing machine save you money, detergent, energy and water? Well, the IDOS certainly can. Before a cycle begins, your washing machine weighs your laundry. The IDOS then goes one step further, running a first rinse so it can understand the types of materials in the drum. The incredible sensors measure how much water has been absorbed to determine the textile type. So your towels absorb lots of water and release very little, versus shirts which do the exact opposite. Clever or what? Finally, the washing machine tells you just how dirty your items are. This is called the turbidity sensor. Try saying that fast. This is a type of laser light that shines through the rinsed water just to show how dirty the items are. Now let's not forget, it's your washing machine that's doing all the hard work. You don't even need to refill it after each wash. So simply add your detergent in one go, set it, and forget it. Let us know what you think of IDOS in the comments.